So, how do we find the balance? How do you find a way to actually take time off regularly without sacrificing income? Not to mention, if you just block off a weekend every single month that you're going to take off and not book yourself, but you have employees who are booked that weekend for clients and they call off sick, guess what? There goes your weekend off. There goes your weekend plans if you were trying to do something with the family or friends. If you want to save face with a client and not get a bad review, possibly damaging your potential business in the future, then you're going to hop in and do it. And that's completely understandable. I would too. I've been there. I've done that too. So, what do you do? What do you do if you're not going to block off a weekend every single month to get time off? Well, first, before we dive into that, let me ask you, is a weekend off a month really enough time for you to recharge? Really enough time for you to spend with loved ones? Is one weekend a month really enough time to truly take care of yourself so that you fill your cup back up in order to take care of other people's dogs and cats? I don't know about you, but my answer to that is heck no. I need more than 2 days and one evening off every single month. Okay. And at first it was like, okay, I can do this a lot because I love what I'm doing. It doesn't feel like work. But eventually you get to the point where it doesn't matter if it doesn't feel like work, you're drained because you are going, and you never stop. And if you're going, never stopping for 3/4 of the entire month, every single month after month, then it's going to catch up to you. So I do not believe that blocking one weekend off a month is the best solution. To me, the best solution is a solution that gives me the peace of mind that I'm going to earn enough income from month to month so that I don't feel like I have to say yes to every single booking request. The best solution is something that's going to decrease, not increase, my paperwork, my invoicing, my scheduling. Something that streamlines the process so smoothly that it actually eliminates items off of my to do list. And most of all, the best solution is going to give me an entire way of working my business that I can rely on with or without employees and without the burnout accompanying it. So, what is this almighty solution I speak of? Is it possible? Well, I am here to tell you that it absolutely is. And this may sound like a hyperbole, like an exaggeration, like too good to be true. And I get that. I totally understand that because when I was in your shoes at the point of complete and utter exhaustion with not knowing where to go from there in order to keep the business alive without killing myself in the meantime, I would have never thought that this simple solution could have been the fix to it all. But here's the deal. If you continue to operate your business the same way you have been, how long will it be before you crash and burn for good? How long will it be before you decide to close up your business because you simply cannot take it any longer? Now, I'm going to guess that you did a lot of the things I did when I started my business, which was to take a page from the other businesses' books. I would look at other boarding and daycare facilities like kennels and see how they operated. As a pet sitter going into clients' homes, you might do the same thing. How do other pet sitters operate? How do other dog walkers operate? The problem with that solution is that the majority of these pet professionals are experiencing the same challenges, the same burnout, the same issues that you are already.